Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to enable an option to skip lock screen after face unlock on your Poco phone. So now, when I lock my screen and I unlock it with my face, it's unlocked correctly. It stays on the home screen, on the lock screen until I swipe up. If you want to skip the lock screen, then go to Settings, Fingerprints, Face Data and Screen Lock. Then go to Face Unlock, enter your screen lock password, then disable Stay on Lock Screen after unlocking. And now, if I unlock my phone, it goes straight to the home screen. That's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.